Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Strength in reverse, Knight of Swords, and Six of Cups. So, in your situation, guys, Capricorn, today you are, what to say, spending time with your friends or family, sharing your memories, sharing your happy memories with this person you love, or with your friends or family members, having a good time today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are sharing even your traumatic past, maybe about your past relationship, what happened, what was the reason for some troubles there. So you want this person to know everything about you guys, and that may be the reason you are telling them the truth today. So this may be your energy or their energy in this connection, Capricorn. And I also see that in your situation today, maybe for some of you, there is someone who is addicted to some habits. It may be some habits like drinking or smoking. So, if that is the case, and that is causing a lot of worry and stress for you because this person is really close to you and you're trying to help them, trying to guide them in any way possible, and that is the reason it is affecting the way things are in your life today, guys. It is affecting your work potential, it is affecting your relationship, but you are someone who stands by the people you love. So today this person you love, they have some addictions, they are facing some difficulties, but you love them and you want to defend them in any situation, guys, and you are trying your best, trying hard to bring them out of these difficulties, out of these addictions. So maybe if it is your energy, this person you love, they are trying to help you, support you in every possible way. Maybe telling you stories about their difficult times and how they overcame all those difficulties. And they are trying to inspire you and instill courage in your heart, guys. Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Capricorn. So this person is really trying to help you out in your difficult situation, trying to help you come out of these addictions you have, and they are trying to defend you in every situation. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can close your eyes, think about your situation. Maybe you may have some doubts or confusions. You can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, and I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. we will see what is the card, the first card for those who chose this card. It is an angel card, guys. It's Archangel Uriel. So, with this card, the energy is that whenever we have an angel card, I usually say the angels are there guiding us today. So, maybe in your life today, you may have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life, maybe for your work or maybe for your love, for your relationship. So you are confused, you don't know what is your decision or what is your choice. So you are feeling stuck, maybe. So this angel guides you subtly, in a very subtle way, but in a very powerful way. So you will have that clarity and understanding, guys, whatever your situation may be. For some of you, you may see answers through some signs or through some subconscious urges or impulses in your life today. So, whenever you need assistance, this angel is to be called upon, guys. And also, guys, this angel encourages you to listen to your inner voice. So, in your heart of hearts, you know what is your choice, the clear choice, and you will have an understanding of any situation, guys. So, that is what is important to you. So, your intuition is guiding you or will be guiding you, and you need to listen to it, guys. So, that is the energy with this card for those who chose the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, the second card, we will see what it is. It is building blocks. So with this card in our life, in any situation, guys, in our relationship maybe, it just means that we are attracting new relationships in our life. Maybe we are in a new connection and we want to build a strong and a beautiful relationship together with this person for that extraordinary life. In order to do that, we have to focus on the foundation we need to build this relationship on. The values, ethics, morals, and the core beliefs. These are all the most important things that will give us that solid grounding in this relationship and make it work in a very positive way. And you are in the process of making some remarkable changes in your life today, guys. This is the time for that. And maybe for some of you, you are attracting a new relationship towards you, or if you are already in a connection, you are building it more strongly, strengthening it with honesty, humility, clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand one another. And you are moving towards that strong foundation, firm footing for this relationship so that it can withstand any storm that you will be facing together, guys, when you are in a connection. So, long standing relationships are repaired and strengthened even further when you have a beautiful understanding with each other, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. So, you and the other person, you are working towards that stronger, more powerful relationship together than apart. So, that is the energy with this card. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.